We have had our Arctic Splash for 3 years now.
Teachers and students get to jump in a freezing cold pool in cool costumes, and we raise money, and we end up giving some of the money to a graduating senior for a scholarship.
We've been here at Adrian High School for 3 years, and some of the other students that you've interviewed today are part of the leadership team, which is called the Youth Activation Committee, and other students are just members at large.
Project Unify is an organization within the high school that gets disabled and non-disabled kids together.
To help mingle with regular general ed students to pretty much just accept them and make them feel welcome into the school.
It's so much fun.
I feel it's important to make everybody feel welcome into the school because you don't want to be the weird kid in the corner sitting by yourself. You want to have friends and be able to mingle with everybody. You don't want to be known as the kid that didn't do anything in high school.
I think it helps with ignorance. This one time I found a sticky note on somebody's locker calling them the R word, and it was really sad. But I feel like with us spreading our message, more and more people are starting to realize that, and more people are starting to respect people with disabilities like autism or Down syndrome, and it's been great being able to make that difference.
Project Unify will continue to be here at Adrian High School. We work hard to include everyone, not just people with a visible disability, but students with invisible disabilities, students that are dealing with anxiety and depression, and students that are not just in my classroom. It's really a school-wide program.
There's a lot of clubs you could join at this school, but I feel like this is one of the few that actually makes me feel like I'm doing something that's worth it.
Just because they have a disability doesn't mean that they can't do the same things that we can. And they're my friends, and I just love all of them so much.